In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the ribbon in New Outlook. If you spend a lot of time in Outlook, tailoring the ribbon to match the way you work can save clicks and keep your most used commands right where you expect them. We'll do this in the New Outlook on the web, so open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Sign in if prompted and wait for your mailbox to load. Look to the top right of the window for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Options. Click it to open the menu, then choose Customize. This opens the customization pane and shows a live ribbon preview so you can see exactly how your changes will look before you commit to them. In the preview, you'll notice the tabs and buttons that currently appear on your ribbon. This is your workspace. From here, you can add or remove commands, rearrange where things sit, and make the ribbon feel familiar. If your window is narrow and you don't see everything, try maximizing the browser or zooming out slightly so all options appear. To start shaping the layout, use the controls in the panel to add groups. Groups act like folders on the ribbon, letting you keep related actions together, such as everything you need for composing or organizing mail. Give each group a clear purpose so you remember what's inside at a glance. You can also rename groups or individual buttons. Renaming is handy when a default label doesn't quite match how you think about a task. Keep names short and descriptive to avoid crowding the ribbon. While you're refining, drag items to reorder them within a group or between groups, placing your most frequent actions at the left, where your eyes and cursor naturally land first. As you adjust, watch the preview update. This helps you confirm spacing, labels, and order before you lock it in. If something doesn't look right, simply move it again or change the name until it does. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your customized ribbon is now applied and will be ready the next time you open Outlook. If you ever want to tweak it further, just return to the three-dot menu and open Customize again to make changes. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to the More Options menu, customize with the ribbon preview, add groups, rename what you need, and save. Enjoy a ribbon that reflects the way you work.